If you squat and your knees come in, do these two things to fix it right now. The first thing we gotta do is open up your groin. It's most likely tight and dominant if it's pulling your knees in. So we're gonna do a frog stretch. You're gonna open up your knees and move back and forth, keeping a neutral spine. Pull your collarbones forward to keep your spine straight, and just rock back and forth in your range of motion, just like so. Make sure as you're doing this, you're not rounding your spine or putting too much extension. Keep it right in alignment where you need it. That way, you're training your spine to stay neutral as you move. The next one is a glute stretch, a cross-legged glute stretch or a figure four stretch. What you're gonna do is lay down, cross one leg over the other, just like so. And this might give you enough stretch just from right here. If it's not, reach through and grab the opposite thigh. Then relax for about 90 seconds. That's how long it takes for tissue to change. And you should feel the stretch here in this glute. Once that opens up, it'll give you the ability to retest your squat. Now it's time to retest your squat. Make sure as you're going, you focus on using these outer glutes and push your knees out as you go. You should have the mobility to access a deeper squat and open your knees. However, those muscles might not be activating. So if they're not, make sure you're strengthening those muscles and work on your muscular imbalances. See ya.